here I have for you a Model 3. Not just any Model 3. This Model 3 isn't just a regular brand new white Model 3 that we're tinting right now. It is going to be a transformed Model 3. What do you mean, Haywood? I mean, we are wrapping it, doing this really cool satin chrome red, I think is the name. The first time we're using this color. We've done a Model 3 in this red not too long ago, but this red is totally different. It's a lot darker. It's a little bit more crimson. Dude, I like how it looks.
Like the shine? Holy crap. You don't get a satin finish this shiny.
Like, you see how like the brake here, like all these creases, you just see all the different depth to the shine. It's really cool. It's like it's shiny, but it's not at the same time. Trippy, I know. Right, Sean?
Don't show this. This is a secret right here.
That's not a secret. That's a corner.
That's a secret corner. No one knows how to do these besides me.
Oh, okay.
Don't show them, alright? Don't show them.
Do you remember back in 2016 when the Model 3 was first announced and shown in the dark satin gray color? This color looks a lot like that, but in red. Beautiful combination between the sleek satin finish mixed with the sharp shine you get from the chrome wrap. Crazy metallic flakes make the color pop like none other. This is a really small detail, but we finally got to wrap the door handles in the same color as the wrap. Most of the time those remain black, but this way is very reminiscent of the concept Model 3 shown in 2016, as those door handles were also the same color as the car. Besides the wrap, we also tinted all the windows in PhotoSync to maximize heat rejection since it's hot all year long in Houston, and we ceramic coated the wrap, giving it even more shine, and this super sleek surface making it easier to clean and stay clean. Water beats off of it and it's so smooth that towels literally slide off of it with ease. This is one of those colors you have to see in person to fully take in and appreciate how unreal it looks.